In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up 1099 contractor payments in Gusto. Start by signing into your Gusto account and looking at the left sidebar. Find and click People. This is where you manage everyone who gets paid through your company, including employees and contractors. From there, select Hire and Onboarding. This section guides you through adding a new person and collecting the right details so payments and tax forms can be handled correctly later. Next, click Hire or Add Person. You will be taken to a form where you enter basic information. Type the contractor's first name, middle initial if you have it, and last name. If the person uses a preferred first name, you can add that too. This can help keep communication clear and makes it easier to match what they prefer to be called while still keeping their legal name on file. After that, you will choose the work type. Select Contractor, since this is for a 1099 worker, and then click Next. Choosing the correct work type is important because it affects how they are paid and how they are reported at the end of the year. Now enter the business type and the personal email. For business type, use the option that best matches how the contractor operates, such as an individual or a business entity, based on the information they provide you. For the email, enter the contractor's personal email address carefully. This is often used for invitations, onboarding, and payment-related communication, so accuracy matters. Once those details are in, go to Hiring, then click Compensation. This is where you define how the contractor will be paid. Select the job title, then choose the labor market and industry. These fields help categorize the role and can support pay guidance and reporting inside Gusto. After you select those items, you will be able to view the annual and hourly information shown on the screen. Review these values to make sure they align with how you plan to pay the contractor. Even if you are not using both rates, it is still helpful to confirm what is displayed so there are no surprises when you run payments. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.